Hey, what's up, guys? It's Steph, man. Quick unboxing here for you. What are we going to unbox today? So we got here the brand new Xbox official gear, man. Icons Lite. I think this is pretty lit. So I'm going to just have this up. Again, man, this is one of these things. I may even do a series where I do like 20 things under 20 bucks. I may call it the 20 for 20, patent pending. This is just something I'm going to unbox, man. I think it's really cool. If you got a gaming room or gaming setup, this would be really cool to have this in here. For all the people who put chats in the comments about PS5 is better and, you know, I hate Xbox and things like that. I have both and I love both. So I got a PlayStation 1 like this. I'll be unboxing too. And again, I am going to call that series 20 for 20. So let's get it. Let's look on the side here. Just Xbox official gear, Icons Lite, and you see the Xbox emblem. On the back here, very simple, man. On and off. Doesn't get any easier than that, you know. It says $16.99. I paid $11.99 for this. Shouts out TJ Maxx, $11.99. And then on the side here, same deal, right? So we got our Master Chief that we picked up from Target. He's lit as well. Got a little snacky because we're ready to snack in our other controller. Just thought I'd do the setup really simple and really cool for you all. So let's go ahead and unbox this. And at $13 or $11.99, I don't know what I'm really expecting, right? Very simple. I don't know if it should have been tape on here or not, but I mean, for $11.99, who really cares? Let's move Master Chief out the way just a little bit here. He may be out of frame, but this isn't the focus. This is. So inside we have some cardboard to kind of protect it here. Our literature. So we're gonna just throw it aside right there. We're not gonna need that. And then here we go, man. Nothing else inside of here. Okay, pretty cool. Again, it was only $11.99. And let's just take this thing out, man. Oh man, bro, this is so sick. I really, really like this. I mean, look at, you know, as soon as I see this out the box, I hear that dong, that little dong noise for Xbox. This is pretty lit, man. On the bottom here, again, it's going to be some batteries. I don't know if it says what kind. Oh yeah, it does. 3 AAA batteries. So really cool. We have those just in case it didn't come with them. And then the Xbox emblem, man. I really, really like this. Now, on the back here, very simple. You can plug this in via micro USB and then an on and off switch. So let's see what it looks like when we turn it on. Epic fail. So I guess I got to put batteries in or plug this in via USB. Yeah, USB, man. Micro USB. So let's go ahead and plug it in right quick. All right, guys. So I got this all charged up, man. And let's see what it looks like, right? Let's get it. So you got the low power, kind of beams a little bit. Then you got the high power. Or I wonder if this just has one glow. Yeah, man, this is pretty sick. I like this, dude. So you got your Xbox here. I'm gonna try to sync these two together right quick to try to show you what it would look like when you turn on the Xbox there. Again, you turn on an Xbox has nothing to do with this, man. Oh, this kind of beams in and out. I like that. I like that, bro. Yeah, that's sick. And then straight turned on. There we go right there. This thing is pretty good, man. I really, really like it. Again, only paid 11 bucks for it. It's lit yet again, man. Something really cool that you can pick up for 11 bucks. And if you go to TJ Maxx or Marshalls or one of those little home goods stores right now, I'm pretty sure you can get this for like $7.99 now. So I got this around, what was that, Christmas or Thanksgiving. I always like when our time of year they had these little trinkets and things out. Really cool little swag gifts that you can get. But again, I think I'm going to put this as a series, man. 20 under 20 things that I can pick up for under 20 bucks. You all tell me if you like it. And just like that, cut the lights out, man. So that has been a quick unboxing and review of this Xbox icon light up glow thing, man. I'll put it right above where your Xbox is. But other than that, man, this is really cool. Should you pick this up? I mean, I got it for $11.99. The answer is yes. Until the next video, I hope you keep rocking with it. Oh, the power is out completely. I hope you keep rocking with Steph, man. And I got some more videos coming up for you all. in the interim. Again, to the next video, man. Thanks a lot. Let's get it.